and you have put in for maybe 3-year tenure. That means if you invest 500,000 naira every month for 3 months, that's 1.5 million. How much are you going to get in the first year, in the second year, in the third year? There are trackers you can use, and you can create your own Excel spreadsheets. Right, so finally, if you want to learn in a structured way and follow a blueprint that can guide you independently to move from beginner investor to intermediate investor, or from intermediate investor to experienced investor, within 3 to 6 months, you should register for one-to-one mentorship. Investing in improving your knowledge is as important as investing in buying stocks or bond or real estate. Knowledge is key. Your knowledge can help you save lots of money on stock broker fees, as well as cost of buying stocks using limit order instead of market price, to mention just a few. Your knowledge can also help you to grow your stocks return on investment exponentially, as well as get better dividend income from your stocks year on year. Knowledge is power. Apply your knowledge to build your financial freedom, especially through passive income. So it cannot be overemphasized. You need to improve your knowledge, and coming into a Zoom like this is good. Reading information on the Telegram group is good. Reading information in the WhatsApp group is good. But if you want something that is structured, you want a blueprint, something that you can read and focus on, that tells you directly about your own stock. This is no longer a general idea for everybody. This is something that will focus on your own stocks and how you can grow your stocks to a reasonable level. Then you need a one-to-one mentorship, and you can get it from anybody. There are many people out there offering different prices for their mentorship. It's up to you. I know it doesn't come cheap, but then if you invest, let's say you invest 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira in a one-to-one mentorship, and within 3 to 6 months, you have learned a lot, and then you now know how to use limit order properly. You are buying a stock of 100,000 naira. You are saving about 20 or 30,000 naira every time you buy stocks. Within a short time, the 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira that you invested in the one-to-one mentorship, you would have got it back, because if you know how to use limit order properly, you're going to save a lot of money. And I do this all the time. I buy using a limit order. You save money. If you know that by registering with a particular stockbroker, you are going to save money on brokerage fee. It's part of the things you are paying for when you do one-to-one mentorship. You save money. If you do a mentorship and you know that, okay, even if I have 200 naira, I can still use my 200 naira to buy stocks, instead of, 200 naira cannot buy me anything, so let me just use it to buy pure water. No, that 200 naira, you can still invest it and it will still generate returns for you. These are the things you learn in mentorship. So it's all in your hand. Make the best use of it. Quite unfortunately, I even put on my Telegram group free mentorship, one-to-one. Over the last 6 months or thereabout, less than 10 people have made use of that opportunity to say, okay, this guy is going to give us a free mentorship one-to-one. Let me go and listen to him. Very few people have listened to it. I mean, very, very few people have used that opportunity. This type of a Zoom meeting, when you invite people, come to this meeting. People come late, some people don't even come at all. But then, if somebody now says, okay, I'm going to mentor you, it's going to be 100,000 naira. Wow, that is too much money. But when they got it free, they didn't make use of it. But those who know the value, I'm sure I've seen many, many, many people that came to me and said, this is what they have learned from this type of Zoom meeting. I've seen people many times, they've come to me, this is what they have learned on my Telegram group, and they've practicalized it, they've got good results. And I'm quite happy with that. So when the opportunity is there, make use of it. I wrote a book about 300 words, about 300 investment terms that can help you to improve your knowledge. That book is only 2,500 naira. There was a time on my Telegram group, I put the link there for a period of 2 weeks. If you want this book, you can get it for free. Very few people took advantage of getting it for free. It's now gone back to the normal price of 2,500 naira. Now, some people are saying, oh, can you give us extra 1 week? Why would I give you extra 1 week? It was there for 2 weeks. If you didn't take advantage, it's your choice. Now, some people are paying 2,500 because they know this thing is going to help them. When you are in a community, you have to learn the language. If you are a lawyer and you don't understand legal terms, how are you going to present your case? Or you are an architect and you don't know the terms, or you are an accountant and you have clients, you don't know the terms for your service. So that's a book. Anybody who needs it is only 2,500. You can get it, read, understand the terms, because when you understand the terms, it can help you to save money. Because when you understand all this limit order, market order, offer price, bid price, if you understand it, you are going to save yourself money. And these are things you can read in that book I'm talking about 300 investment terminologies. These are things you can read. Once you read and you understand those terms, and you now log into your stockbroker website, you know what you are doing. But if you don't understand the terms, you will just go with the default setting. You're not going to change anything. Okay, let me just buy it, market price, and pay and move on. But those who understand the terms, they change the settings because they know what they are doing. Thank you all for your time. We've actually spent like almost about 30 minutes